Monday morning blues. The story of everyone's lives. But not when you're going to spend the day with your friends and work with a sense of purpose. At Yash Papers. Yash Papers is known for its sustainable packaging. Built on a strong foundation of values, we gather every morning in the assembly for a prayer, collect our thoughts and make sure to meet each other.
नमस्कार आप सभी को।
We share, track and discuss our daily performances and inculcate trust through transparency by profit sharing.
अपने परिवार की खुशी के लिए और हमारी खुशियों में एक नया चार चांद लगाया है।
It's also a forum where we award individuals and teams and be appreciative of life events for all our team members. We speak with our teams, or as we like to call them, Sanghs, and ensure that we are focusing in the right direction. Yash Papers' utmost priority is to improve productivity and ensure quality. Hence, daily analysis and functioning is carried out based on statistics and processes by our daily management teams. There are clear key performance indicators set, monitored and corrected when out of specifications. We discuss previous and upcoming abnormalities of the plant, after which Amrit Arjun teams come together to take up this challenge.
I couldn't have asked for a better workplace. I get to do what I want to do, something generally not associated with a woman.
This work is done, this is also done, perfect. Well, this month was a bit challenging for me, but I have achieved all my targets.
I really appreciate that I am able to set my own targets. I take a look into my work for the month and figure what needs to be accomplished.
Yeah, okay, I'll be ready.
Boss, please don't forget to wash your plate.
There is no job that's big or small here. Everyone is equal at Yash Papers. We make sure people feel part of the family. And that is why it's important for us to take care of their family as well.
We at Yash Papers ensure that our employees and their families are well taken care of. We have healthcare facilities for times of emergency. We also have schools which facilitate the admission of our employees' children at subsidized rates.
There are colonies provided to the employees who have to be in contact with the plant and in times of emergencies.
Back in 2016, our 6 megawatt boiler caught fire due to short circuit. The fire alarm rang, some rushed towards boiler and some gathered at assembly point 1. Some 15-20 people and I climbed up the boiler and threw sand, started water line and used fire extinguishers. We also tried to put out fire by patting through hands to prevent fire from spreading towards bagasse yard. Luckily it came under control and there were no injuries or loss of lives.
Ujjwal is from the IT team, not from the boiler section, but still he risks his life to safeguard other team members.
This is the essence of Yash Papers and highlights one of our core values, teamwork.
We have a self-sufficient Yash Club that brings people together and makes sure it's not only about joy of work, but also the joy at work. We are continuously training and developing here at Yash Papers.
Recently, we did a project optimization of bagasse refining in collaboration with Rise Invention in Sweden. We experimented two different approaches. First was whole bagasse refining and second was fractionation and refining. After performing several experiments, we concluded that whole bagasse refining is really good for a bagasse fiber because it gives us the least cutting action and better fibrillation, which also eventually helped us in developing our flagship product, Chuck.
We believe in leaving people and planet better than we found them. We find treasure in what others chuck. Yash Papers is not only rooted in India, but we have worldwide partners and linked all across the globe. We've been recognized for our work and design, which makes us India's first public listed B Corps. Be it Red Dot, G Design, India Design Mark, CII Design, we have got it all. Every day in Yash Papers, we live our values: trust, freedom, teamwork, joy at work, continuous learning and development. While we invest in our people back home, now we are here to foster a relationship with you. Come, live our values with us.